Fried coconut tender jackfruit masala curry. It's very delicious when served along with rice or chapati. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 3 cups of tender jackfruit cut into small pieces. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, sufficient water to cook the tender jackfruit. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 3 whistles on medium flame. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Leave it rest for 20 minutes. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add 1 cup of grated coconut. Also add 4 shallots, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon peppercorns, small piece of cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 3 cardamom, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. Fry it on medium flame for 5 minutes until it becomes golden brown color. When the color changes to brown, change the flame to low level and add the masalas. Add 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. After it gets cooled down, transfer it into a grinder jar and grind it into a paste form by adding some water. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add 1 inch size chopped ginger, 6 chopped garlics. Now add 1.5 chopped onion. Saute it for 3 minutes until it becomes soft. Then add some curry leaves, 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes until the tomato turns soft and mushy.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add the grinded coconut paste to it. Also add previously cooked tender jackfruit to it. Then add 2 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, keep it low flame and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until it splutters. And keep it low flame and add 4 dry red chilies, 5 sliced shallots, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame. Add this on top of the curry. Mix it well. Our fried coconut tender jackfruit masala curry is ready. It's very delicious when served along with rice or chapati.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.